Hang on for one wild adventure on Kolob Mountain. Hey, we're up bright and early this morning. We're, what's today? Thursday.
Yeah.
We're up on Kolob this morning. Man, what a pretty place. You can see all you can see right now is the trees, but the views coming up here were something else. I guess I got a camera still running up on top here. But man, what a place. So we got the old Snowcat this morning and a couple snowmobiles. I think we got Ken in his big Super Duty He-Man truck. You guys have probably seen this on one of our earlier Snowcat recovery videos. This old girl wouldn't run on the mountain. Ken's little Snowcat. So we're gonna get up there. Man, I wish my tracks looked that good. Mine look pretty rough. It's kind of icy this morning. So we're gonna get up the mountain. We got a side-by-side up there that had a mechanical problem. We're gonna get up there and get it fixed and see what we can do to get him on the road again. See if it stays on there. We might be looking for this later.
We did last time we went up here. Remember that? And ran it over?
I was relying on a magnet.
Magnets don't stick to aluminum.
You guys can go up in front of me. You're gonna be way ahead of us.
You have a big helmet? I do.
Yeah.
I have a big fan.
All right, you guys know the rule with this Snowcat. It's nice and loud, so you're not gonna get a lot of interaction with us today. You'll get a bunch of sights and sounds until we get up to the cabin. But we got a couple guys riding up with us on snowmobiles for some redundancy, and then we've got Ken coming in his little Snowcat. The twinners with a different paint job. I think they both had different dads. That was kind of aggressive. I think he's got a mission. All right, we're working our way down in here. Nice and easy. You can see it's a long ways to the top, so the other night when we come up, we didn't get too excited about coming in here, so see if we can get down here and get these tracks fixed on this little general. We'll see if we can get this snow packed down enough for us to drive out of here, so see where we end up. All right, so that's what we're here for. It had a broken bolt, and man, look how deep that snow is. It's like a mess. We'll be here for a minute getting this all dug out. What happened to Casey? Oh, he had to work. He had a heart attack up there. He just laid down on the job. Elevation and work. It took him right out. Probably good for that old back.
Loosen it up. Yeah.
After that fucking bronc ride all the way up here.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know what gas is worth up here, but I know what ibuprofen could go for if a guy's aching. This thing will ride better if you leave all that snow in it and on it.
I know. It's so smooth.
You like riding out of here on a glass slipper.
Yeah, I had it all dug out and I was cleaning up tracks. I saw that bolt, that spring was just hanging out.
And you're like, oh man.
Touching against the tracks. I'm like, oh crap.
Well, welcome to the world of tracked vehicles.
Yeah, exactly.
You got to be a mechanic or bring one with you.
Yep.
And I don't even know if this thing's going to be frozen down or anything. It's a natural disaster. He brought me with and guaranteed it would be fun. And I found out it's not as fun as he made it sound like it was going to be. But I'm going to just suffer through so we can have fun on the way back. We got to fix the track, but we have to find it first. Hide and seek on Kolob.
Yep.
We're looking for a Polaris. At least the wind's not blowing 800 miles an hour like the other day. It's pretty nasty up here. Everything in life's harder when there's snow and ice on the ground.
Just complicates things.
Makes things all that much more difficult. Does anybody have an AED? Because I'm pretty sure this old body, even though I look like I'm a specimen of physical fitness, man, am I out of shape. I know you guys aren't buying it.
Yeah.
But I can talk a tough talk. Those little glasses are a little annoying. Hey, if you get a minute, you take a break so I can take a break so you don't make me look bad.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not all about that.
You didn't know he was having a race here, did you?
Nope.
That's what I thought when Ken passed me a while back. Didn't know we were racing.
Yeah.
All right, well, this thing's got us huffing and a puffing. We're getting there. We got the sides and the tracks all exposed and dug out. We'll have to, he probably won't be able to see. I could probably cut him a hole through that for the way home. But yeah, we're down in here 4 feet, 5 feet, whatever we are. And we got to probably ramp this out a little more, but what a mess. It's all fun and games until somebody stuffs a shovel through a windshield. And then I'm pretty sure the laughter would begin.
Yeah. This one would be 12,500.
Yeah, the last screw up on a side-by-side with tracks cost me 12,500. Ish. You count attorney fees in that? I'm sure there's some guy that lives in the snow somewhere in the Rockies, or Alex and Jenna and Nick, that could tell me how to do this better. They probably got some sound advice. We're getting there. That sucker's in there. All right, so lost, oh, that little bolt right there fell out. So just had to put that in there. Ken and his crew were down lower on another cabin shoveling the roof off a couple outbuildings. So they're going to come help us finish digging this bugger out. Oh, now you show up. Now we got all the hard work done.
That's how we timed it.
Yeah, I see how you guys are.
Yeah, well, we haven't been.
I ate all your sandwiches.
You did?
Yeah, I was a hungry feller.
My wife makes a good sandwich.
We shoveled 2 roofs off.
Did you?
Yeah.
The old girl was frozen to the ground pretty good, so we're going to give a little tug up out of there. Here's the crew. They made it happen. It was a pretty good time on the mountain. Thanks for joining us today.